Hello students, welcome to Saurabh Sir's classes. Today we are going to solve few logical reasoning questions on NABARD examination. So let us begin with our first question. But before that we have few directions for questions 1 till 5. So let us go through the directions. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are 8 friends sitting around a circular table facing the center. So here we are talking about 8 friends sitting on a circular table, something like this, and each one of them are facing towards the center. So let us make 8 places for these 8 people. So let us assume they are sitting in this manner, and we don't know their series, their sequence, but we know they are sitting facing inward. Now A sits second to the left of D, who is third to the left of E. So first we have A sits second to the left of D. So let us first make D sit somewhere. So let us assume D is sitting over here. Now since D is facing inwards, this side of D is the right hand side and this side of the D is left hand side. And we have been said A sits second to the left of D. Since A is sitting second to the left of D, so A is sitting this word and second. So this is the first place, this is the second place, therefore A is sitting over here according to D. So basically we have got two positions, D and A. So let's move on. Now in this statement only we have who is third to the left of D. So D is third to the left of E. So let me write this here. D is third to the left of E. So since we are taking this in E's respect, we can convert the statement and take this in D's respect. And how can this be done? We can write E is third to the right of D. This can be written, since D is third to the left of E, E is third to the right of D. So here we have got E is third to the right of D. This side is right of D and third. So this is first, this is second, and the next one is third. Therefore E will be sitting over here. So we have got positions of 3 people. Now only 5 of them are left. So let us continue with the question here. Next statement is C sits third to the right of G, who is not an immediate neighbor of E. So here C is sitting third to the right of G, but you can see we have not got any position for C or G. So let us move on. We have who is not an immediate neighbor of E. So G is not an immediate neighbor of E. So immediate neighbor of E means this positions, and G is not immediate neighbor. So G can be here, G can be here, or G can be here. So let us assume G's position one by one. So first let us take G's position to be this. So this is G's position. We have assumed G's position this because we can have 3 positions for G. We will assume one by one. Now we have G here. We have also been said that C sits third to the right of G. So right of G means this side and third. So this is first, this is second, and this is third. And here we have been said that C is sitting here. But previously we have taken D to be sitting here. So this assumption is wrong. Therefore our G will not belong to this position. So G will not be here. We will assume somewhere other where G can belong. So here we have checked. We are left with this position and this position. So let us assume G to be here. We have assumed G to be in that position. Now what we have is C sits third to the right of G. So first we have cleared this position and we have next this. So let G be here. Let G be over that position, and for that we have C sits third to the right. So right means this side, and this is first, this is second, and this is third. So C can belong to this position. So we have got positions for G and C. We will continue with the sum like this, and if we find any error we will change G's position and we will place G over here. But first, since we have got the position of C also, so we will assume this to be the correct position. Now when we move forward, we have in question, you can see we have H sits third to the right of B. H is sitting third to the right of B, but you can see we don't have the position of B also. So we can continue. Who sits second to the right of G? Yes, we have assumed G. So B is sitting second to the right of G. Right of G means this side. So first and second. So B is basically sitting over here. And now secondly, we have from B we can say the position of H, because you can see H sits third to the right of B. So right of B means this side, this is first, this is second, and this is third. So H is sitting over here. Now we have got positions for 7 friends, so we are left with only one whose we have not been given any information. So the left one is F, and you can see we have no information about F and we are left with only one position. So let us place F over here. So you can see we have got places for all of the 8 friends. Now let's start with the questions. So in first question we have who sits between D and C. So between D and C, you can see here we have D over here, C over here. So between D and C there is sitting B. So our answer will be only B, that is option number A. Now in second question, moving to second question, we have who sits second to the right of E. So right of E means this side. So this one is first, this one is second, and we needed who sits second to the right of E. So right of E second will be F, that is option number B. Hence option B will be the correct answer to this question. Now moving to the third question, we have what is the position of A with respect to H. So let's check here. Here you can see we have H and here we have A. So basically A is towards the right side of H, this is the right side of H, and this is the first position, this is the second position. So A is sitting second and right of H. With respect to H we are considering, so A is sitting second as well as to the right. So you can see the options. In option D it says second to the right, hence option D will be the correct answer to this question. Moving to the fourth question, we have 4 of the following 5 are alike based upon their sitting arrangements and so form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to that group? So here you can see we have pairs of friends and we have 5 options, out of which 4 have something alike. According to their arrangements they have something similar, but one has a something different criteria. So let's check what is the similarity between 4 of them. First is CH. So here you can see we have C and H. So H is to the right side and second position of C. In second we have FG. So here we have F and here we have G. Again the same property, second as well as right side of the first one. Third we have DA. So here you can see D and here we have A. So this is something different. It is also second, but this time it is left side. So here let us write right side. Here also right side. This is left side. We have next BE. So let's check B and E. So this time also you can see this is the right side of B as well as second. So here also we have right. E we have G and B. So as you can see we have G over here and we have B over here. Again this is right side of G and as well as second. So this is also right. So you can see we have 4 rights. This is also right side, this is also right, this is also right, and this is also right, but here we have left side. So the only difference between the C option is it is second position as well as second is all of them, but all other are on the right side, but C is on the left side. So there is a difference in C, therefore answer of this question will be option number C. Now let's move on to the next question, that is question number 5, that is the last question, which says which of the following pairs has the second person sitting to the immediate left of the first person. Okay, so the we need to find whether the second person is sitting immediate left to the first person. So let's check whether B is sitting immediately left to D or not. So here we have B and here we have D. So B, here you can see B is sitting towards the right of B. Here we have B sitting immediate right of D. Let's check whether this is the criteria. Is the second sitting to the immediate left? So we need left, not right. So A is not the correct answer. Second option we have EH. So we need H to be sitting exactly right of H. So E, here options we have EH. So E should be sitting to the right of H. But you can see E is sitting to the left side of H. So option B is also wrong. Now we have FH. A. So let's check again. You can see F is also sitting left side of A. So here you can see